Okay, so fractional algebra. If we're going to solve this equation, we've got thirds and quarters. Now, just like any other fraction, we've got to convert them to the same type of fraction. Even though we've got x's and numbers up here, we don't panic. We just turn them to the same type of fraction. So if we had 2/3 plus 3/4, we would need to turn this into the same type of fraction. So we're going to turn this into 12ths, because 3 times 4 gives me 12. Okay, now whatever happens, this will still equal 6. So again, like any other fraction, 3's into 12 goes 4. So whatever's on the top here, we're going to multiply by 4. So we're going to have 4 times 2x plus 3. Okay, plus, now 4's into 12 goes 3. So everything up here is going to be multiplied by 3. Okay, so this will still equal 6. So 3's into 12 goes 4, so we multiply the top by 4. 4's into 12 goes 3, so we multiply everything up here by 3. Okay, so let's just move this down a little bit. So we now need to expand all of this. Okay, so again, this will still equal 6. This will still be over 12. So now we just get rid of the brackets. So 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 times x is 3x. Let's make this look more like a 3. And 3 times 2 is 6. So we've now got rid of the brackets. So now we can just simplify this out. So we have 8x plus 3x is 11x. 12 plus 6 is 18. And this is still all over 12. And this will still equal 6, because all we've done is we've changed the thirds and the quarters into 12ths. Okay, but what we've done is we've got rid of the brackets, we've simplified it, and we've collected our like terms. So we've got 11x plus 18. Now we want to get rid of this 12. Okay, now at the moment the 12 is dividing. So if I bring this 12 over, instead of divide, it multiplies. So we get 11x plus 18 equals 6 times 12. So 11x plus 18 will give us 6 12s is 72. So now we're in quite a nice position because everything is in a straight line. Now we want to find out what x equals. So we have 11x on its own. Now this number is now going to come over, and of course the sign changes, so we get 72 minus the 18. Okay, so we're back to basics now. So 11x will equal, now 72 minus 18 will give us 54. So x is just going to be 54 divided by 11. Now I keep this fractional. So x will equal, now 11's into 54, I know goes 4 times. There's a nice big 4 for you, because 4 11's are 44, which means that there are 10 left over. So we will have 10 over 11. Okay, now if I just rewrite this just so that you can see this, 54 divided by 11 is 54 over 11. So what we've got is 54 11ths. So if I break this down, 11 will go 4 times and I'll have 10 11ths left over. Okay, so that will be my final answer. So you can see here that what looks to be quite complicated, if we take it step by step, it solves itself. So we need to make the two denominators the same type of fraction. So if you know your fractions, which you should do, then this is nice and simple. Then we simplify this by expanding the brackets. We then simplify this again, and then we move the denominator over and multiply. We then get this straight line equation, and then it's just a question of working it through to get an answer. Okay, so what looks complex is quite easy. I know it looks like a lot of work, but it is very, very simple. It's just step by step, blow by blow. Okay, so if you have any problems, come and see me and I'll help you out. But I hope this helps and gives you an explanation, a better understanding of what's actually happening. Okay.